If you want to quickly view or clear your browsing history in Google Chrome, this video is going to walk you through the fastest way to do it, step by step. Whether you just want to check the pages you visited recently or completely clear your history for privacy reasons, Chrome makes it really easy once you know the right shortcuts. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's start with how to view your browsing history in Chrome. The easiest way is with a keyboard shortcut. Open Google Chrome, then press Ctrl plus H on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Chrome will instantly open your browsing history page. Here, you can see the websites you visited recently, search through your history, and quickly find pages you want to revisit. This is a super useful shortcut if you forgot the name of a website or just want to go back to something you viewed earlier. Now let's move on to how to clear browsing history in Chrome. If you want to remove your browsing activity, the fastest way is also with a shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window right away. From here, Chrome gives you a few options so you can choose exactly what you want to delete. First, make sure browsing history is checked. This is the main option if your goal is to remove the list of websites you visited. You'll also see optional items like cookies and other site data and cached images and files. If you want a more complete cleanup, you can select those too. Cookies can sign you out of websites, and cached files can help free up space, so choose carefully based on what you want to keep and what you want to remove. Next, you need to choose the time range. Chrome lets you clear data from different periods, such as the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, or all time. If you want to erase everything, select all time. If you only want to clear recent activity, choose a shorter time range instead. This gives you a lot of control over exactly what gets removed. Once you've chosen the items in the time range, click Delete Data. Chrome will then clear the selected history and browsing data automatically. Depending on how much data you have, it may take a few seconds to finish. After that, your browsing history will be cleared from Chrome based on the options you selected. And that's it. You now know how to view your browsing history in Chrome and how to clear it using the quickest shortcut method. If this video helped, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, productivity tips, and browser shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.